this car, when brake press, so much noise. We're going to change the brake pad, and the disc also gone. It's already inside gone. So we're going to change the disc, brake pad, and going to flush the braking system, the back disc, back rotor. It's nice something. One thing before rear parking brake replacement, that time don't forget to reverse moving the parking brake. So there have a two way. One you can do manual and one you can do the scanner with the scanner. So first you enter the scanner and the parking electronic parking brake reverse moving, and then you can use the special special tools here, and it can go to the this place, so it can easily replacement the brake pad, so no need to open the motor everything. That's the manual work. So so before we do the scanner machine for doing this job. Look, the brake pad. The brake pad gone. So new disc rotor, the brake pad front and rear already come, or I will do the both sides after replacement, and brake pad also the rear already done, open. So going to change. This on the old rotor discs and new rotor discs already set up. New brake pad, rear rear side brake pad, front side brake pad, front side both side two rotor discs, and rear side only the brake pad change. So we there have a electronic parking brake. So we first, before replacement brake pad, we reverse moving the electric parking brake. Now all is complete. All is complete. So now we're going to after rear parking brake replacement done, so going to uh, use scanner moving the right place again. So before look the processing down now.